the whole goal of what we do here at Workflow Secrets is to give you the secrets, the ability to understand at least the way you can automate your business in a way that you spend less time doing the mundane stuff. You know, how many times do you find yourself creating the same email to send out to your seller or uh, buyer or whomever? Your leads are coming in, and how do you process those? Um, there's a big push, especially in the real estate business, and you see, if you don't see feeds in your Facebook coming in all the time about, we'll help you provide you with X number of leads per month, make more closings and all these things. They're just just inundate you with the leads. The problem is, if you get those leads, what are you going to do with them? Do you have the processes in place so that whenever those leads come in, you can give them the world-class service that they need, that you want to give them? And if you don't have that in place, one or two leads a month is not a big deal. If you get 10 leads, if you get 20 leads, maybe you get 100 leads. Now you're in trouble if you don't have those processes in place. You cannot scale your business effectively and efficiently if you don't have processes in place. And our software, SAM, is there to help you enter your contacts into your database, keep track of your properties, keep track of your calendar, and then making sure that whenever you are doing your day-to-day things, that these automations are doing the mundane things, making sure that they do the things that you don't need to be doing. Do I want to, everybody's talking about AI and how it's depersonalizing everything. That's not the goal here. The goal is to automate the things that should be automated, that's mundane, but that gives you more time to spend with your customers, your clients, and spending the personal time with them without worrying about, oh man, I've got a ton of things I need to do at the office. I need to get back to the office. How would you like to spend an extra 30 minutes, a day with your customers to, just sipping coffee or talking about what their life goals are and, what types of properties they're looking for and that type of stuff. So it's not a matter of using AI to get rid of the personal touch. We want to enhance that personal touch by using AI, by using it effectively in a manner of just getting rid of the automation, getting rid of the things that should be automated.